Y'all loved the So Yeah Grunge box last month. In fact, it was probably the highest watched unboxing video I've ever done on my entire channel. So let's follow it up with a sequel. Hey friends, welcome back to my sewing room. My name is Becca, and in today's video we're going to take a look at the January 2021 box, the So Yeah Grunge box. Now this is a box that is curated featuring grunge fabric from Moda. It is curated by the brothers over at soyeahquilting.com. You can check out their YouTube site and their online store, both in the first comment down below this video. I think this box is sold out. It might be waitlisted, so I will give you a link to where I think you can sign up for the box, and if that doesn't work and you want in, email them and they'll take care of you. They'll put you on the wait list, and when a slot comes available, they'll let you know. Okay, as you can see, I have not opened the box. There is a priority bubble mailer all the way around it, so we're going to cut this, dive in, and see what we've got. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yes, I'm using paper scissors. See? It says paper. Yeah. All right. Here is our box. A black box, sewing machine on the top. Got So Yeah Quilting on the side. Las Vegas D-Stash on the side. Hashtag So Yeah D-Stash. #1, blah, blah, blah. You got all the stuff on all the sides, even on the bottom. You've got some QR codes here that you can scan to be taken to their Instagram or their Facebook page. And of course, their address, their website, and phone number. Kind of appreciate how sleek the box looks. Cut the tape. You guys ready? Here's your sneak peek. I haven't seen it yet. I'm not going to look. I'm just going to show you. Oh my goodness, is it good? I figured it was going to be red and pink, yes, because of Valentine's Day, so I figured that was going to happen. So the first thing that we have is, ooh, that's pretty. The first thing that we have is a card here. This is what the card looks like on this side, and it's really just a very pretty picture. I would totally, in fact, I am going to hang this up on my cork board. The back of the card says, box of sweet grunge. The inside... Think inside the box, So Yeah Grunge box. Who needs a box of chocolate when you can have a box of grunge fabric? Now listen, I love fabric, but I'm not going to say no to a box of chocolates. Chocolates don't compare to fabric. Come on, guys. You're so special that we curated this box just for you. Valentine's Day is known around the world as an opportunity to celebrate love. Colors like red, pink, and white represent life, love, and purity. We know you'll love the colors and projects in this month's grunge box. Don't forget to share your projects with the hashtag SoYahGrungeBox and scan the QR codes for exclusive offers and videos. Much love and happy Valentine's Day. The So Yeah brothers, Zach, Brody, and Tiankum. Ooh! We have a fortune cookie in the box this month, and mine came a little smashed, guys. It'll still be edible, though. We're going to open it up, see what our fortune is. Now, okay, before I even read this or get into it, see, it's still in my hand. It would be super funny if they did their dad joke in the fortune cookie, just saying. Ah, they did. I swear, I didn't know they were going to do that. I was just like, oh, fortune cookie, there's got to be a dad joke in here. So we've got our joke. That's hilarious. Let's see if it's funny. We'll make Mom be the judge of that. Hey, Mom. What do the cucumbers say to the pickle?
I don't know.
You mean a great dill to me. That's awesome. You want some shattered fortune cookie, Mama?
No thanks.
That was fun. All right, other things that we have. Every box.
I got a deal for you.
She got a deal for me. Every box of So Yeah Grunge comes with a full-size spool of Aurifil thread. I believe So Yeah sells these on their website, at least on their D-Stash, for maybe around $11. I can't remember. They usually sell them in packs. That's why I don't know. The color that we have is actually 2410. This is a 50 weight spool thread, and it is a full size spool, not the small spools that you get in some boxes. It is a pretty light pink, and this is going to coordinate beautifully with the fabric that's in here. But before I show you the fabric, let me show you our notion. We always get a useful notion, and I'm loving what they did. They came up with a ruler with their branding on it that's a size that you don't really find anywhere else. So I'm kind of liking this. Take a look down here. It is a green ruler. It's the same green that you'll get like on a Missouri Star ruler. There's some paper backing on it, which makes it a little bit easier to see some of the marking and stuff. You can see this is all backwards because this is the right side, but it does say, so yeah, quilting.com. It has their logo, and it says Las Vegas, Virginia. Let's just peel this backing off and get right to it.
Las Vegas, Virginia?
I said Las Vegas, Virginia. I meant Las Vegas, Nevada. Oops.
I was confused.
Sorry. I was talking too much and thinking about my sister. So this is what the ruler looks like. I've taken the paper off of the back. You can see it says soyaquilting.com. It has their logo and it says Las Vegas, Nevada. And it's got some measurements along it. It looks like this is a 8-inch by 1-inch ruler. That's actually really helpful. How many times do you just need a really small ruler just to do some quick cuts and you're not going to measure anything with it? You just, like, this would be great for charm packs, mini charms, drawn lines, whatever. This is a good notion. This might end up being my go-to straight edge. I'm going to just hang it up right here on the side of my cabinet. There it is. All right, now we've got our fabric. This is what our beautiful fabric collection looks like in a variety of all pinks. So we've got that, but we also have this little sheet of stickers you can see right here. They've printed these out, and each one of these say So Yeah Quilting, and then it gives you the name of the color and the color number so that if you want to buy more of that fabric, you can go to their website, put in the color number, or just give them the name, and they'll be able to pull up that color for you. I know from the last box, because I figured this out after I unboxed it and saw everything, that the colors on this little sheet of stickers actually go in order from left to right. And so we're going to put them into view. I'm going to tell you what the name of each color is. I'm going to apply the sticker, and that way you can get a nice close-up shot. So the first fat quarter that we have is called Ballet Slipper, and this is color number 301-50286. The second one that we have is called Duchess, and this is what it looks like. This is color number 301-5064. The third one we have is called Apple Blossom, and this is color number 301-50325, and it's got like some purples in here, so that's really pretty. This color is called Salmon Rose. It is 301-50326, and it's got some like orange in here, which for salmon, that's kind of cool. Maybe that's why they called it Salmon Rose, because it's orange and pink. This one is called Peony. How do you pronounce that? P-E-O-N-Y. Peony. None of the above. And it is color number 301-50377. Ooh, Calypso Rose. Take a look at that one. We've got some purples in here. That's really pretty. This is color number 301-50327. We're getting into the reds now. This is called Ash Rose. It is 301-50378. I feel like I'm on their D-stash, calling out numbers and showing fabric. This one is called Satine, S-A-T-E-E-N. Is it Satine or Satine, right? Yeah. Yeah, Satine. Color number 301-5018. 2 left. Oh, that's very pretty. That's like a brick red. It's called Mineral Rose. It's 301-50333. And the last one is called Romance, which is 301-50 474. Very pretty. And then the inside of the box has a private YouTube and an exclusive offer. So I'm going to grab my QR code because that is part of the value of this box. You get to see what they did for you on the YouTube channel, and then you get to see their exclusive offer. So hang tight. Let me scan those and I'll tell you what they are. All right, I've got my QR scanner open on my phone, and I'm just going to point the camera at the exclusive offer QR. And that's going to give me a link to open. So I'm going to hit the open link button. And it looks like our private exclusive offer for the January box is 30% off of Grunge fabric. We have a discount code for 30% off of Grunge. Sweet. Then right on that page, you actually have a button where you can load the exclusive video. So I've already done that. We've got a close-up video of the project. Okay, hold up. I just saw in here, this is not the January 2021 box. It ships on January 28th, which is why I've been calling it the January box, but it's actually the February box. So the December box that I got and called the December box was actually January 2021. This one's February 2021. All right, got it. I'll know that going forward. So they start off the video with a detailed unboxing, which I've just done for you. Let's skip ahead and see what they're going to do with the fabric. I will say the cookie that they showed us is not shattered like mine is. So the video, as you can see right here, gives us a step-by-step tutorial for making the project that is actually on this card. Zach is doing the tutorial. Basically, we're going to need all 10 of our fat quarters plus 2 yards of background fabric. And for those of you that need a pattern, I believe there is a pattern link in the description box of the video for members. So if that's not enough, you have a second tutorial in here, which will have a second pattern. That is what the second project looks like. It's basically a heart-shaped pillow. Very, very cool. All right, taking a look at the description box of the video, I just want to tell you I did confirm there is a downloadable pattern for both the quilt and the pillow. So like I said, if you are somebody that needs to have the project or desires to have the project printed out and have the pattern physically in front of you, you can use both of those links to access the pattern yourself and print it off. So that's the February 2021 box. Take a look at all that beautiful fabric. It's just gorgeous. I cannot wait to work with this, and I won't have to wait for long because I'm going to be using all 10 of these fat quarters to make a project featuring half square triangles this Friday, February 5th at 8:30 p.m. Eastern, right here on this YouTube channel. But that's not all. We've got a special surprise for you if you haven't heard already. The brothers behind the Grunge box are going to stop by and sew with us. Brody and Tianka will be joining Stephanie and I live on this channel via Skype. We're all going to sew together. We're going to take a challenge where we all sew with Grunge fabric and we all make half square triangles, and then we arrange those half square triangles into different layouts. So it'll be a lot of fun. You'll get to see how versatile half square triangles and Grunge fabric really is. Come on back Friday night. I hope to see you then. Bye.